Hey guys, so today I'm gonna do a nail unboxing, and this brand, I forgot what's their Instagram name. It's definitely not a actual Instagram brand store, but they have an Amazon storefront, so most of those small Amazon storefronts are on Instagram, and their page is not usually a brand name. It's just like a random username. Like, it looks scammy, it looks fake, but it's not. Some might, but not all. So yeah, just keep that in mind. If you search them up, and you're gonna think, oh, this is fake, but no, not them, obviously, because if not, I wouldn't receive this. So these are the ones they have. These are pretty natural for every day. It's kind of like a French nail. So basically, you just do it yourself, literally. So I always try to use these nails, but they always fall off or they're too big for me. Maybe I just need to practice more because I literally don't. As you can see, so step one, you just use a nail tool to remove the grease and all of that, and then you just figure out what your size is, measure them, and then just put the tape that it comes with, and then you just put on the nail. So yeah, you don't have to use glue with these. So usually these stickers don't really stick on me, I notice, and I don't have nail glue, so I don't know. Let's see if these nails actually work on me, because oh yeah, and then this, I was like, you know what, since I'm gonna order this, I was like, let me just order something else that I need. I was like, I don't know, I was like, let me just take advantage, right? So this is a acne foaming wash. So if you struggle with a lot of acne like me, this is especially in your back and your body, So I tried this brand like years ago, and it actually worked, but you have to keep buying it for it to keep working, because it worked when I used it, but then I stopped, and then all of the acne came back, and a lot. So I was like, I don't think I'm gonna keep using this, like buying and buying and buying. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna leave my acne as it is. But I was like, you know what, I don't know, I just felt like trying to use it again and maybe keep buying it this time. I don't know, we'll see. But this, you can use it for your face, your body, but I feel like for your face can be a little too intense and too drying. So it depends if you have sensitive skin. I haven't tried it in my skin, like face, not skin, yet, only on my body. So yeah, you see, it treats face and body. So, and this one's the maximum strength. The other one does not like so intense. It's the 4%. But I was like, I actually need this one because I get a lot of acne, it's annoying. It's just like at this grown age, I'm almost 30. That's annoying, right? So whatever. Okay. So this can be pretty expensive, to be honest, but it is actually worth it. It does work. So it's just like a regular crazy cream bottle. It's like a lotion. It's white. It's kind of thick, but it does lather on. You just make sure you go in there like that in the shower and just use it on your back. So yeah. So you see, it's white and creamy. So, and it smells kind of like Clorox for some reason. I don't remember smelling it like this. Maybe because I got the other one that wasn't intense. No, it smells bad. But I don't know. But we'll see if it works. Obviously, I'm not gonna show myself using it in the shower. But maybe I'll put pictures. I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, that's pretty much it for that. Okay, bye. Thanks.